Hi friends, welcome to the Windows 10 video lesson series. In this series we will be learning about Windows 10 operating system. So what is Windows 10? Windows 10 is a personal computer operating system developed by and released by Microsoft as a part of Windows NT family of operating systems. It was officially unveiled in September 2014 following a brief demo at Build 2014. An operating system is the core software on your computer. It is a platform or foundation that supports every operation on your computer. It defines the interface on your system. In a way, you can think of it as a personality of your computer. As operating system, Windows 10, Linux and Mac all do basically same thing. But it is the interface, the design and the layout of control in this operating system that make them feel completely different from each other. Consider your office in which you have one table or a desk. You put all the things like telephone, your diaries, your pen, important files on your desk. So we have also desktop in our operating system where you can put your important files and data so you can easily access to it. Now Windows 10 have a greater feature than other operating system of Windows. This is the latest operating system currently developed by Microsoft. So let's see how you can get Windows 10. So I opened Microsoft Store, which is an official site for purchasing Microsoft thing. So I open this link from where you can buy Windows 10 operating system. If you are using Windows 7, 8 or 8.1, then it is freely upgradable to your computer. But if you are using another operating system, then you will have to buy Windows 10. So you can buy it from here. You can press this buy and download now button and you have to pay 7999 rupees and you will be able to use Windows 10. So this is about buying Windows 10 Home Edition. Currently I am using Windows 10. So let me give you overview of Windows 10 operating system. If you have used Windows 8 or 8.1, you have noticed that operating system doesn't have start button. But Microsoft has brought back the very nice start button from where you can easily access various softwares, various apps and various setting configurations. So this is the benefit of Windows 10. But more than that, Microsoft Windows have very nice features like Cortana. Cortana is a virtual assistant provided by Windows 10. For example, if you don't want to type or use mouse, then you can say just hey Cortana and Cortana will do things for you. For example, if you want to search a restaurant nearby you, then you will have to say just Cortana, give me the restaurants near me, and it will get you all the restaurants nearby you. So this is the benefit of this operating system. There are many other benefits like Microsoft 10 have new taskbar and it will have universal apps, Edge browser which is very nice browser. You can perform various search operation by just voice commands, and continuum mode which is multitasking mode. You can do many tasks at the same time in the same window. So these are the various vast amount of features available in Windows 10. We will see each one by one and you will get to know how is the Windows 10. As you know, Start menu is back in Windows 10. Start menu provides wonderful ways to access program. It's a door to software house which are member of your computer. So let's get started. First of all, I'm clicking on this Start menu button. When I click this menu, as you can see, one large menu will appear which contains user information, most used applications, various apps which are categorized by system users and some other option. So let's see one by one. Every Windows 10 system have one user. In Windows 10 there are two types of users. One is local and another is online. So if you want to log into your different user account and change personalization settings, then you can use this option. We will explore this option in more details in future lessons. Second is tile menu. This menu is tile menu. Windows 10 by default provides start menu with this layout, but you can also expand it to full screen. You can arrange these tiles in various categories as you feel comfortable. Let's arrange some apps in Office category. Suppose I need this mail app. Oh, I already arranged it in Office category. So let's arrange one more different category, which is entertainment. Okay, let's set it to games. For example, this Xbox app is related to game. I am putting it here. And one more app, Xbox Live, Minecraft. So these are various games. Now I want to name it to games. So it's very easy. Just click here and name it to games. And that's it. Here you go. You have one more new category called names. So this way you can arrange your various apps in various categories. Now if you are feeling that my start menu is very small, then you can stretch it to various size and arrange your apps as you feel comfortable. So now my start menu is little bit larger. Now here you can see 4 options. Let's see one by one. If you have used other Windows system, you may know what is Windows Explorer. New Windows user might not know. Windows Explorer is a gateway to file system. Using Windows Explorer, you can manage your files and folder and access it very easily. Setting option. Operating system is very large software mounted on top of the hardware. So to control and customize your work environment, you can use these system settings. We'll also exploring this option in more details in future. Power option. Very important option. Consider you want to make your laptop sleep. For that, this option is needed. So click on the power option and you can see there are 4 options provided by power option. First one is sleep. You can make your laptop or PC sleep. Second is hibernate option. Hibernate option is used when you want to persist your state of your system. And shutdown option, you may know that this option is used to shut it off your PC. And last one is restart. Restart is used when you want to just start over your system or give a fresh start. And last option is all apps. Last but not least, with this option you can access various apps. For example, if I want to open VLC media player, then I can click on this all apps button and I will go through all the application and look at where is VLC media player located. But I have very simple way. You can see these letters. Click on that letter and you will find various alphabets. You can select the alphabet by which your software name start. I am selecting V. So I have one video length folder. I will expand it and as you can see there is a VLC media player. Just click on it and VLC media player will start. So this is the one method of opening a software, but I have one easy way to open any software. That is very super easy way. All you need to do is just open the start menu and write VLC. And there you go. There is a VLC media player. So this is all about start menu. Switching between apps should be easy. Windows 10 have old version of switching method with a new flavor. You can switch between app using Alt plus Tab key. When you press Alt and Tab key, you will see the windows that are open. You can navigate through windows by pressing tab key repeatedly. So this way you can switch between apps using Alt plus tab key. As you can see, I have opened 3 windows. One is the Avast free antivirus, File Explorer and Google Chrome. If I want to switch between apps, for example, currently my active window is Google Chrome. Now I want to go to the Windows Explorer. So I will press Alt plus tab key. So I can see open windows, and I will press tab key until File Explorer is focused, and I will release both of the keys. So here it is, I am on the File Explorer window. So this way you can navigate through various apps. Now let's see use of Action Center. Action Center is a tool from where you can utilize your system resources. It is located here at the bottom in taskbar. Once you click on Action Center, you will see one window which will be popped up from right side. Here you can see all the notifications which are provided by the system. If you have any notifications, then this icon, Action Center icon, will be highlighted. Currently I have not any unread notification, so it is not highlighted. Now let's see one by one these options, various options provided by Action Center. First one is a tablet mode. If you want a full screen start menu, you can go into tablet mode. If your laptop have dual mode, then this option is useful. But some user prefers start menu in full screen mode, so you can utilize it by this tablet mode. So let's click on tablet mode, and as you can see, now we have a full screen start menu and we have a tablet view of Windows 10. Here are the all programs button. For more option, you can click this menu button and you can go to File Explorer, Settings and Power option. So this is basically a tablet view. To get back to desktop view, again click on tablet mode. Second option is connect. If you want to connect other devices like Bluetooth or mobile, then this connect option is useful. So I'll be just clicking on this option. Here you can see Bluetooth is turned off, turn it on to discover more devices. So we are not going that much into this option. Another option is Note. Microsoft OneNote is tightly integrated with Windows 10. If you want to note down something or want to make to-do kind of list, then this is the wonderful app. You can use it, but currently we are not focusing on Note. We are only focusing on Action Center. So let's get back to it. You can also access all the settings which are provided by your system by clicking this all setting option. We'll be learning about all the setting in further video tutorials. So I'm just closing it. This is very nice feature. When you want to extend your screen on another screen, then this option is useful. For example, I'm clicking on this project button and here you can see 4 options are available. PC screen only, duplicate. For example, if you are giving a presentation and you want to project your screen onto the projector, then this duplicate option is helpful. If you want to extend your screen to another machine or another display, then this extend option is useful. And if you want to project second window or second screen onto different machine, then this second screen only option is available. So this is about project option. Now battery saver. Battery saver is generally used when you want to save your power, and it is generally provided to only laptop users. Next option is VPN. VPN used when you want to create private network. When you want to play LAN games, then these options can be used. You can also transfer your file using VPN. So we are not going in this VPN option. For now we are just skipping it. Another option is Bluetooth. Bluetooth can be used to connect different devices. If your mobile have Bluetooth, then you can connect it with this machine and you can transfer data You can use your cameras and do many other things with this Bluetooth option. So if you want to activate this Bluetooth option, then you have to just click on it. Currently I am switching it off. Using this option, you can control brightness of your screen. So just click on it and you can see currently my brightness is 50%. If I click on it once again, it will be changed to 75% and so on. I am putting it on 25%. This is a Wi-Fi option. If you want to turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi, then this option can be used. Here is another Wi-Fi icon. If you want to change your Wi-Fi hotspot, then this option can be used. But this is just for Wi-Fi on and off purpose. This is very great feature. It's a quiet hours. If you turn on this option, system will not disturb you between 12 am to 6 am. It won't give you any reminder, alarm or any notification. If you want to share your location, then this location option can be used. If you turn on this location option, it will provide your location pattern to Microsoft server and Microsoft will give you more localized experience. And last one is airplane mode. When you want to get disconnected from outside world and have a chill time, this option can be used. It will turn off all the Wi-Fi, all external connection and make your PC unavailable to outside world. So far, we have seen introduction to Windows 10, start menu options, navigating through apps and action center. In next video, we will see some other great features. Till then, goodbye.